Why did this trial in particular touch your heart so much? Because you were so passionate.
I think, I don't know if I would say touch my heart so much. I think one of the reasons is that I think if you're not concerned by this behavior, by this action, by this reaction from a person to a child having accidents and then doing this incredible thing, there's a problem. You need to understand the gravity, not only what the person did, but also for not showing the compassion that you would hope any parent would show. And that's certainly not what he showed towards Harmony. So yeah, with regards to that, in terms of a heartfelt experience and showing emotion, I think it's hard not to be for anybody.
Child death cases are something else. David Bruno, let me go to you next, please. Share with us your thoughts on all of it, the advocacy, the job done by both sides, what you think may be coming next for Mr. Montgomery.
Yeah, first of all, I agree with your opening statement, and I agree with Joe as well. I mean, the fact is, I thought this verdict would come in much quicker. I was actually surprised. And kudos to the jury. Not only did the prosecutor do their job, but also think about these jurors. These jurors had to sit through this testimony, this really graphic testimony about abuse. And it's cases like this that bring this issue and awareness up to the forefront, because I think that the system also could be improved on how we protect our children. Don't forget, there was a custody dispute, and the child was in his custody. And I think that there could have been some things done differently. Hindsight's 20/20, but the fact is, he was a coward. He didn't even come to court to face these charges, and I'm surprised that the guilty verdict didn't come quicker.
Right, David. Thank you for that. I know you are echoing the sentiment of so many of our viewers. I mean, we were all looking at our watches, watching the clock, tweeting, saying, what in the world is happening? What are they doing in there? And certainly we applaud them for being so thoughtful and careful. And obviously they went through the evidence meticulously, as they should. But I think there was that sense of, oh my, is this going to go the other direction because of the time? Let me end the segment here with a clip from Crystal Sorey. So she is Harmony's biological mother. In full disclosure here, she didn't have Harmony for much time before Harmony was taken away from her, put in the custody of the state, lived in foster care for most of her life before the end of her life when she went with her biological father. But Crystal Sorey has a message to Adam Montgomery. Let's take a look.
Do you have a message for Adam today if he's listening to any of this or heard the verdict? What would you say to him today?
That I hope that what he did plays over in his mind every single waking moment that he lives on this earth. And I hope that he never falls asleep without seeing her beautiful face.
Adam Montgomery, things are not over for him yet. David Bruno, Joe Tamburino, I'm so glad you both are on the show. We've got to hit a break. I've got more questions coming your way in a moment.